Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today's video will be short and sweet because that's why you clicked on this video. You just want to hear the cold start of the stock BMW M2, and that's what it is. As you can hear, it's slightly loud at the beginning, but it will calm down in a moment. So that's it. That was the cold start in my BMW M2. That's completely stock car. There's no tune on it. The back box is completely standard. I've just changed the exhaust tips, but that doesn't affect how it sounds. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please make sure you check my channel, subscribe to it and give this video a like. Thank you very much. Goodbye.